a celebration of college and university theater throughout the country. Over 1,300 colleges and universities participate in the American College Theater Festival, and that means that over 200,000 students get to participate as well. There are 5 things really that the Kennedy Center is trying to promote by providing the festival. The first one is just to celebrate and encourage excellence in theater. The second one is, well, to encourage excellence and celebrate excellence in individual students. And to that end, they also provide opportunities to help students become better in their skills, in their theater skills. We also encourage the colleges and universities to become better programs, and to that extent we encourage them to participate actively in creating new work, specifically to put on new plays by their students. And in doing that, they help those students become the playwrights and the theater practitioners of tomorrow.
I had a really great time at ACTF. There were a lot of really cool workshops that we got to go to, involving all kinds of stuff from acting to design stuff to, I think there were even some lighting ones. So there was constantly some kind of thing to go to in terms of workshops. There were plays. There were 2 plays every single day. I've never seen that many plays in a week ever. And it's really cool to get to watch. A few of them were original. So it's really cool to see how other students and schools do these original plays, especially after we did, The Legend of Sleepy Hollow last fall. It was cool to see how other schools handle that. So we had to do that. We were actually invited to perform a selection from Sleepy Hollow, which was really cool to see. It's really cool to see your own work put up on a stage that's as cool as the Strand Theater.
Being the recipient of 3 awards from KCACTF was an amazing experience. To be nationally and regionally recognized for my work that I produced for the production of Legend of Sleepy Hollow it was so gratifying. And because of this experience, I am actually pursuing this career path as a viable option for graduate school, for further study, and as a way to continue my art in a professional field. So I'm very, very glad and very grateful that I was given such awards from the festival.